Hello everybody, today I'm going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike SB Chron Solarsoft. So let's just take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike SB Chron Solarsoft skateboarding shoes, and this pair is in a men's UK size 9, US size 10, EU size 44, and it's in a women's US size 11.5, and this pair is in a black university red colorway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by flipping up the box lid and peeling back the wrapping paper to reveal the Nike SB Chron Solarsoft in the black university red colorway. And let's lift out the left shoe and focus on it first. So giving you a look at the Nike SB Chron Solarsoft. Let's set the box to the side as we focus on this left shoe side and giving you a 360 rotation, so you have a full and clear view of this Nike SB Chron Solarsoft in the black university red colorway. And let's take some close-up looks at the upper cover of the shoe. So it does have a suede and canvas upper cover. So you can see in the front of the shoe there is a very soft and fine nap suede. And as we move towards the midfoot area, we can see this canvas panel and having the university red leather Nike swoosh on it. As we move towards the back, we can see once again the very fine suede details towards the heel counter and heel of the shoe, and giving you some sense of the shape and silhouette of the shoe. And on the inner side of the shoe, once again, that suede back heel area extending towards the midfoot area, with the midfoot area having a canvas panel with that red Nike swoosh. And as we move back towards the front, we see that suede cover around the toe and front of the shoe. And now let's take a close-up look from the front or tip of the shoe towards the back. So you can see it does have a bumpered and finely textured front. As we move from the forefoot towards the back of the shoe, we can see the lacing as well as the Nike SB Chron black and red label or tag on the tongue. And moving towards the back, and let's take a look inside, of course removing the stuffing first, and taking a look inside the shoe, and of course at the back details of the tongue tag. So the tongue has a very soft design, and it is lightly puffy as well. And we can see that it does have a mesh design for breathability on the upper panel, and it is lined on the back side or underside of that tongue. And taking a look inside once again, we can see it does have the Solarsoft insole or sock liner, having that very familiar blue cupped design and Solarsoft branding on it. and around the ankle collar and heel of the shoe, there is some light to medium padding around it. So just taking a look around the details of the shoe. And now let's take a look at the sole of the shoe, or outsole, at the bottom. So you can see it does have a somewhat starburst or herringbone design radiating from the ball of the foot, and that extends towards the heel where the herringbone pattern is more obvious. And of course there is a Nike swoosh towards the back part of the sole. And in terms of the softness and grippiness of the sole, you can see as I press on it, it is soft and pretty pliable. As I try and drag my index finger along it to give you some idea of the movement and pliancy of the rubber outsole. And now let's do a flex and bend test with my hands to give you some idea of the pliancy of the shoe, or flexibility and stiffness. So right there you can see the shoe is rather soft and pliable. Okay, so now let's take a look at the right shoe. So just going to set the left shoe down and out of the way so we can focus on the left shoe side. So once again, lifting up the packing paper and setting the box to the side. And now taking a look at the right shoe. So once again we see the black and university red design right throughout this right shoe of the Nike SB Chron Solarsoft. And taking a look once again at the close-up details, we see the added bumper around the forefoot and toe area of the shoe, and it is very finely textured. And we see that full panel towards the forefoot of the shoe made in suede, and that canvas midfoot area, and once again the suede heel counter that extends towards the top part of the heel. And now let's take a look at the pair together, side by side. And from the front to the back. And now taking a look at the underside or bottom of the shoes. So that's Nike SB Chron Solarsoft in the black University Red colorway. Thanks for watching and happy skateboarding!